Welcome to Goldfinch Winslow. Come on in. Welcome back. Tom Winslow here with Stephen Goldfinch at Goldfinch Winslow here for our vlog. Wanted to sit here and talk to you today a little bit about what you have to go through to become an attorney and why it's important to get an experienced attorney. So many of you know that we come in here every day, we work hard for you, and you say, man, those guys charge a lot of money for what they do. Why do they charge so much money for what they do? And you're not paying for that moment you're there with us. You're taking the knowledge we have, you're taking the experience we have, and the education we've received, and we're trying to apply that to you. That's our stock in trade, is our time and our experience. That gives us the ability to give you an opinion that hopefully you would trust and value. So you're paying for that knowledge that we've gained and those items we've gone through before you actually step foot into our office. And so as Stephen knows, and as I know any attorney knows, there's many things that we have to go through to get to the point where we're actually able to give you that advice. And that's why you can't practice law if you don't have a license, because you don't have that experience and that knowledge. So not only is it important to have an attorney that knows what they're doing, but it's important for you as our client to understand why and how we got to where we got to.
Yeah, I mean, I saw something interesting the other day. It said, why are you charging me so much for 30 minutes of your time? $150 for 30 minutes of your time or whatever the cost was. And I said, well, the answer is very simply, I'm not charging you that money for the 30 minutes of my time. I'm charging you that money for the last 20 years of my education and experience that I had to go through to get to this point that I can give you that advice. And I think that resonates with people when they understand, you're not hiring someone right off the street, a brand new attorney that, may just be taking in every case that comes off the street in hopes of making a living. We here at Goldfinch Winslow, we've got attorneys that do everything, that focus on those areas of practice that really are top of their the top of their game and the top of their craft. And so, you're paying for experience. You're paying for someone that can get the job done in a way that you want to get it done and in a quick way. You don't always pay an attorney to go try a case for you. Always tell people that principles cost a lot of money, okay? You want an attorney that can accomplish a goal, not just go and beat his head against the wall or have to try a case. If I can accomplish it in some way, or Tom can accomplish it in some way that makes you happy and does it in the most efficient way, that's our goal.
I mean, think about it. We went to school, right, for 12 years, elementary through high school, 4 years for college, 3 years for law school. Stephen has an MBA. I have a LLM, which is a degree above a JD in maritime law. We have put in over 20 years of just pure education and to be able to provide you with the best advice we can provide you. And that's why those fees are counted the way they are. And that's honestly kind of why doctors and other professionals are the same way. It's for that time that has occurred before you even step foot in that office. Those experiences, Steve and I both have roughly 10 to 15 years of experience, plus the education to be able to give you the best possible opinion, best possible guidance that you can take with you and use it or not use it. But that's your choice. But you're paying for our team and paying for us to give you that advice from our education and our experience. And so when the question comes down, can I afford an attorney? I think a lot of times the question truly is, can I afford not to have an attorney? And that it simply becomes, can I afford not to have the best advice I can have from someone that knows what they're doing, someone that's trained in what they're doing? And so that's why we are able to charge what we do charge, but we also try to look out for you and your best interest. So come talk to us and we'll work with you, trying to find the best way to help you in terms of what we're going to charge and how we're going to be able to assist you with what we're doing. So call us at Goldfinch Winslow, 843-357-9301. Should you ever need any help, go to our Facebook page or go to our website, goldfinchwinslow.com. Appreciate your time. Goldfinch Winslow, the gold standard, serving the law by serving you.